Hello, welcome to SoilStructure software. This is our latest release. It's called Segmental retaining wall software, and it does two kinds of analysis. One is for short walls that are maximum 4-foot wall, and then the other is segmental retaining wall with geogrids, which is maximum of 25-foot tall. The units can be either English or SI. You can choose either one. So in this example, we have a 4-foot high retaining wall with a 0 back slope angle, so it's level backfill. Let's make the surcharges 75 PSF, and let's go to modular block parameters. That's the block height is 0.68, 8 inches. The width, which is here, it's 1.33 feet. There is no cap height. Unit weight is 140, and setback is 0.75. Each block is 0.75 inches more than the other. And then when we go to the soils parameters, we can make the retained wall 36 and 120, the foundation wall 36 and 120 as well. Let's say 750 cohesion. And we have the leveling pad. Let's make that 0.7. And then we go into results. Results pane. So here is all the inputs. Here are the results, and here is the cross-section diagram. You could see the live load surcharge. So we could go into general, and then it just got the stuff that we put in. It measures the angle with a 3/4 inch. It becomes 5.25 degree. Then you get the resultant forces. The horizontal active earth pressure is 0.189. The vertical is 0.064. This is the Ka. Then it checks the slide-in. It comes out to be 1.52, which is higher than 1.50. Then we go to overturning. It becomes 1.60, which is still better than 1.50, so it's good. Then you can go into bearing check. It's very high, 21 factor of safety against bearing capacity failure. And then it does the internal sliding check. So all these checks are for the short wall. It's called gravity segmental wall. It's maximum 4 foot. There is no geogrid, it's just gravity. So if we go over here and then we change the height from 4 feet to 7 feet, then now you could see we have a 7-foot wall, so we have a geogrid. And in this particular one, we're using a Metagrid 3XT. So you can go into the geosynthetic data over here and then choose the Metagrid you want. You can go from 2XT all the way to 10XT if it's very tall. So in this case, we're just using 3XT, which is here, Metagrid 3XT. Allowable deformation for the top of the wall is 3 inches. And here we're using maximum earthquake force of G is 0.9, and the KH is about 1/3 of that, it's 0.3. So because we're using the seismic factors for walls taller than 6 feet, excuse me, we have the check of the seismic stability. So we go into seismic stability and it checks the seismic sliding and seismic overturning. So yeah, I hope you give it a try. And this is called Segmental Retaining Wall Software by SoilStructure Software. Okay, thank you for your time.